What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on XVS, also known as Venus, which has pumped up 43% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $8.13. So we're going to be looking at, can this crypto potentially hit the $10 mark over the next couple of hours or even days, and is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks, months, and potentially hitting about $20-30 as well towards the end of the year? That's what we're going to be going through, and I'll also be giving you guys what price I would buy it at and what price I would sell it at as well, so buying and selling prices as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Venus, which is here in purple at $5.55. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $8.21, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Venus over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect Venus to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes, I am expecting it to hit around $10 over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value to around $8.50 to $8.70 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. So yes, even though it's likely to pump up to $10 over the coming hours, it is likely to hit the red candles after that, dropping down to $8.50, $8.70 over the next 12 to 14 hours. Zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So this is over the next 6 to 8 days. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive. However, is looking way too steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. The only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major increases that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks he's going to keep pumping and he's going to keep going up at that pace. However, that is not the case. So over the next 6 to 7 days, let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting Venus to have dropped back down in value, potentially down to around $6 is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at by the end of next week. But again, don't get me wrong, guys, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Venus over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, once again we've got the blue line looking very steep, and so is the orange line as well, meaning this is not realistic again. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so mid to late December 2023, so essentially towards the end of the year, I am expecting Venus to be hitting around $14 to $15, guys, as I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be nearing about $40,000 towards the end of the year, meaning it should have a positive impact on the crypto market overall. So Venus should be heading towards the $14 to $15 mark towards the end of the year. And again, as mentioned in the thumbnail, $20 I'm expecting it to hit in Q2 of 2024. So yeah, late next year is when I'm expecting Venus to be hitting the $20 mark, because we don't want to jump to $20 in a space of about 2-3 months, as if it does that happen, then it's most likely that it's going to drop back down straight away. So we want it to go up in value at a slow and steady pace. So this is my take on Venus. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target here, we need to hit $14.18, which we should be able to hit, as I said earlier, towards the end of the year. But guys, it's going to resist at this target. It's very well, even if it does hit the green candle, more time is going to drop back down into the red zone. So it is going to resist at this target, which is $14.18 towards the end of the year. But as I mentioned, it is going to resist, and more likely that it's going to drop back down into the red zone. But that doesn't matter. As long as we keep moving upwards towards the positive direction, we should be good to go. So let's go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up insanely 1,300%, making it $122 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase in trading over the last 24 hours, as it has gained a lot of value and a lot of percentage as well. A lot more people are interested into crypto, and I'm guessing, yes, as you guys can see, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So yeah, there's a lot of people looking into the project, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general a lot of people trading it. And as it is still pumping, we are likely to see this number here shoot up over the next couple of hours, meaning more and more people will start to trade the crypto. So yeah, this is my take on this crypto. So guys, so those of you asking, is now the right time to buy it? Personally, it is overvalued. I would, if I really wanted to invest into the crypto, I would wait for it to drop back down below the $5 mark, and then I'll invest into it. And for those of you asking, is it time to sell it? Yes, it may be time to sell it, but not, if I had $1,000, I wouldn't sell all $1,000. I'll probably sell about $500 worth, so that I take some profit out and keep some, and then I'll probably sell it once it hits about $14 to $15. I'll sell the rest. But if I am able to sell $500 worth and it does drop back down below $5, then I'll probably use the profit or the $500 to buy more of XVS, and then potentially sell about 75% of it once it hits about $14 to $15 towards the end of the year. But again, it is cryptocurrency, guys. The predictions do change. It is a very volatile market. If you guys want me to keep you guys posted on this crypto and do regular updates, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.